Having one LIFTBOT that is mobile that could service 5, 10, 15 different spots is fantastic. And my name is Derek Chaplin. I'm the Construction Services Director here at Flint Hills Resources at Pine Bend Refinery in Rosemount, Minnesota. How can we be the best run, most competitive refiner from a manufacturing standpoint while being safe and environmentally friendly? When it comes to our partnership and what we're doing around LIFTBOT, so what I'm in charge of as a ownership inside this refinery is all the construction component. So in order for us to function and be at the top of our game and to move the business forward from a construction lens, a partnership with LIFTBOT, now we can go build elevated platforms much faster, easier, we believe safer. This is a good piece of equipment, a good piece of technology that we can deploy and leverage day to day versus a specific use case all the time. Yeah, anytime you're moving material vertically, it certainly can create a bottleneck. Anytime you have the ability to be efficient with material handling vertically, it helps your critical path. We would have had to leverage the crane with the skip box, put all those components in there, and move it that way to an elevated area. Or we would have had to create a man chain and hand up piece by piece up to that level where it needs to go. And so we much prefer to do it safer, and we get the upside of having the efficiency benefit of leveraging the equipment to do the job. Because again, cranes are expensive and I'll say slow in comparison to LIFTBOT, right? This thing can lift it vertically much quicker than a crane can and much more efficiently. A lot of upside used in the right locations, and when you're in a big refinery like ours, there's blind spots everywhere, there's nooks and crannies, and so this technology being deployed gives us just a lot more flexibility to do the same job much more efficiently and safer.